Hello my guy, today we are going to be looking at this design, how I make this beautiful design. Very lovely. So let me show us how to do the flower. So I'll be using blue sand bead size 2 with gold sand bead size 3. I'm having my fish line 0.3 and my needle with my scissors or cutter here. So let's start it. I'll be picking the sand bead blue. I'll be picking 16 of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. I'm picking 16, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. After picking 16, I will have to tie. I will tie it around. See the way I'm going to tie it. This is the second time. The third time to make it firm. Okay, let me go one more. So I'll cut it out, cut the smaller parts out. So after tying, you see 16. After tying, I will use my needle to go through the first one. Then I will pick the gold, pick one gold, and I will pick 5 of this blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. Then I will pick one gold again. This is at the beginning, making 2. Can you see? Then I will leave 2 bead. The third one I will pick it. 1, 2. So the third I'm leaving this 1, 2. So the third blue one I will pick and come out. So after picking, I will now go back to the gold. Only the gold. I'll pick only the gold now. I'm picking only the gold. Can you see? I pick only the gold. Then come out. And I will now pick this one again. Pick 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1 gold. Can you see? And I will now count 3. I will leave 3. 1, 2, 3. So the third one is what I will pick. Then I will do what? Hold only the gold. Pick the gold alone. That is how I will be doing it till I get to the final. Can you see? And I'm picking 5 again. 5 blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'll pick 1 gold. You can use any kind of bead to do it. You can use the smallest crystal bead or the bigger one. But I'm using sand bead here. So you now leave 1, 2. The third one you pick. You pick only the third one. 1, 2, 3. Then you now come here, pick the gold. And you see that the design is coming out. So you pick 5 again. 3, 4, 5. With 1 gold. With 1 gold. Then you now count 3. 1, 2, 3. The third one, you do what you pick the third one. Then you now use the gold to come out. So you pick 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You pick 1 gold. Then you can. So we pick this gold. So this should be the last one. Then we pick 5 of it. 2, 3, 4, 5. I pick 5 with 1 gold. Okay, this is the last. I'm not picking gold. I'm going to use this gold because this is the last. Can you see? Let me add 2 more to it so that it can come out big. I want to pick the gold. Can you see? So you now tie. Take it around this place. You tie. This is it. This is it. Let me see. So at this point, I would like to show us how you will join this together. It's not like you will do it separate, then you not join after you have do it separately. No. As you are doing it, the last part of it, the last section, is where you are going to use to join. So after doing one, you have to join to the other before you continue. So I've done this one, I've done this one. So I want to really show you how you can join this to this. So this is the last part of it. This is the last angle I want to do. And it is where you are going to use to join to those ones that you have been doing. So this is how you are going to join. You know the flower part of it, we have 5. You put 5, you can put 6, you can put 7, depending, but I put 5. Then I will now pick only one. I will pick only one sand bead. I'm picking only one. And you see I'm picking only one sand bead. Let me lighten it a little bit. I'm picking only one. That one will go down. I'm picking one. See it? Then from this angle that I'm going, you look for the center. This is the center. Then you now pick 3. You know we are having 5. You pick 1 here. You leave 1. You leave 1. Then you now pick the 3 at the center. Make it 4. You draw it. This is how you to join it. So this is 1 plus 3. Remaining 1. Then you now go and pick the remaining 1 here. You pick 1 more with your needle. Can you see? Then you now add it to the gold. Hope you understand what I'm trying to do here. It's somewhat technical. This is how you join. This is how you join. Can I repeat it again? If you want me to repeat it again, kindly drop it on the comment box if you want me to repeat it again. Thank you. So you now join. This is how you join it. After joining, you pass through here so that you can tie. If you want me to repeat that part again, drop it on the comment box. Then just say, repeat the way you join. That is it. That is the way I join it. Then you now tie. You now tie. So you do as many as possible for your necklace. And if you have any question, you can drop it on the comment box. This is it. Then you go around. You can use it for anything. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Thank you.